Hey everyone, it's Nails by Riss here, and I'm going to be opening up a couple packages that I got from different nail supplies. This one here is from Sleek Nails, and I ordered 2 different gel polishes by IBD. This orange one I got is called Brazen Beat, and the blue one is called Swag Bag. Next, I'm opening up a package from Nail Supply Glamour, and it came double packaged, so this is the second package that I'm opening up. The first product that I pulled out of the package was a Nail Supply Glamour Ultra Bond Primer for acrylic and gel applications. Next, I got a Mia Secret 8-ounce liquid monomer. Moving on to the acrylic powders, this one is Nail Supply Glamour brand, and it is in Pinkish Glow. It is a light pink color. I also purchased the same brand of Super White acrylic powder. And I also purchased their brand of crystal clear acrylic powder. Next, I pulled out a bunch of medium grit sanding bands. This is great for filing the natural nail on a low speed. And of course, I wouldn't be able to use those bands without this drill bit adapter. This safety bit allows me to file really close to the client's cuticle area without worrying about harming them. And of course, who doesn't need more nail glue? This one's Mia Secret. I got 2 new nail files here. One's Nail Supply Glamour's brand and another one's Mia Secret brand. And the last thing that I pulled out was a set of glitter leaves, perfect for fall. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.